How to delete all TikTok liked videos at once. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, you're gonna find different tabs over here. Head over to this one tab, Heart tab. Here you're gonna find all the videos that you have liked. Now how to delete all these liked videos at once. At the moment, there is no such feature within TikTok to delete all the liked videos at once, but what you can do is remove the like from specific video. If you want to do so, launch the video. Click on this heart icon. Once it turns white, you have just unliked the video. Do the same for all the videos that you want to remove from the liked one. So right now, this is the only way. If in the future TikTok comes up with the feature to delete all the liked videos at once, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.